Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check it out. This is a remake, actually. Check it out. So, guys, this is a remake. Yeah, it's a remake. Subscribe first, and I'll tell you all about the truck. Ready? Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. You did it? Good. All right, now check this out. This is a remake because I put brand new wheels and tires on this sucker. This is the 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 that I posted a few weeks back. It had the 16 by 10 inch wheels on it on the 35s, I think. Anyways, long story short, took those ugly bastards off and we swapped them out with a set of 20 by 12 FUEL Mavericks. We lowered it down in the front because it's got torsion bars, so it sits nice and perfectly level now, unlike before. And we wrapped it in a brand new set of 35, 1250, 20 inch MT tires. They're kick-ass, ones we usually use on the 1500s. They're Chili's. I call them Chili's. So really nice set of wheels and tires set up right here, and it runs and drives great. No rubbing on the front, full crank right, full crank left. So we got a BDS lift kit on this truck, and it runs great. I do a little bit of trimming right here. Actually, the guy did it before me. So a little bit of trim right there. Guy did it before me. I would have done a much better job because of OCD as shit. I would have took like a scalpel and like a micrometer and measured it and cut it, and then got it approved by a board of cutting committees to make sure it's legit. Anywho, it's got the 2500 mirrors on it, turn signals incorporated and parking lights in them. Super nice truck. The stance is really aggressive. You guys will like this shit. Check this out. Ready? Boom! It's like, gives a little bit of attitude, but a 1.5 inches, 2 inches sticking out. Overall, it's an aggressive truck and it runs and drives good. A little bit of mileage on it. It's got like 230 something on this one. So it's kick-ass 5.3 liter engine in it, and you guys know those. You maintain them well and they'll produce the mileage. They're an awesome engine. I stand by them. I like them a lot. The rubber rails that guy who had it for me, I took them off the side right here. They're right in the back, so I gotta get those put on or take the ones off the other side. I like them better with them off. It looks nice and clean and flush. This is a leather interior truck. It's really nice. Here's the underside of it. You can check it out. It's kind of getting dark out now, but anywho, yeah, a little bit of darkage action here. Who gives a flying hoot? Tinted windows, leather seats, a little bit of rip right there on the driver's side. No sunroof. It's got a doubled in Pioneer, I think it is. Bluetooth, Bose, power everything. And it sounds pretty kick-ass too. I'll let you guys hear it. Ready? Check this shit out. I'm gonna make this video kind of quick. And starting her up. Ready? Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. What do you guys do on YouTube? I want to know that. What do you guys do? What do you guys mainly search for on YouTube? Like, what's your favorite thing to search for after you see my shit? After you see my stuff, what do you go on to search for on YouTube? I want to know. Let it up in the comments. Check it out and subscribe while you're at it. Ready? Sounds pretty beast. This is the video I'm gonna do and then run over there. Sounds so aggressive. Sounds really nice. Anyways, it's got a full exhaust system on it with Flowmaster muffler, with a Flowmaster muffler, and I think it's a 40 series if you guys are gonna ask me. But yeah, holler at me. This is Mark signing out with the. I gotta get going now, but it's getting dark out. Plus, I gotta shoot some pictures. This is Mark signing out with the 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71 right there. Hope you guys like it. This is me. This is the truck. Subscribe. Peace out, guys.